Welcome back to the Auto Chapter, guys. Today we're stepping into the breathtaking world of Italian performance, where style meets speed in perfect harmony. We're talking about the all-new 2026 Ferrari F80, a hypercar that doesn't just push the limits, it shatters them. Ferrari has a history of producing some of the most beautiful and capable machines ever to touch asphalt. But the F80 represents something more. It's a bold leap into the future, blending extreme aerodynamics, advanced hybrid power, and jaw-dropping design into a single masterpiece. If you thought Ferrari's previous Halo cars were impressive, get ready to meet the next king of the road and track dot. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Ferrari F80, you understand that this is no ordinary supercar. Its design looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. The front is dominated by an aggressive, low-slung nose with ultra-slim LED headlights that give it a predatory stare. Massive air intakes flank the bumper, feeding the engine and cooling systems while also shaping airflow for maximum efficiency. The hood features sharp creases that channel air over the cockpit, and every surface has a purpose. Nothing is purely decorative here. The body is a fusion of sculpted carbon fiber panels, finished with Ferrari's signature deep gloss paints that seem to glow under the sun. Along the sides, the pronounced aerodynamic channels and deep side skirts create an unmistakable sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The roofline sweeps low into a dramatic rear deck, which houses an active rear wing that automatically adjusts based on speed and driving conditions. At the back, a full-width LED light strip sits above a complex diffuser housing a pair of massive exhaust outlets, hinting at the brutal performance hidden within. The F80 rides on lightweight forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, with carbon ceramic brakes peeking out from behind, ready to bring all that power to a halt in an instant. Performance is where Ferrari's engineers have truly unleashed their creativity and skill. At the heart of the 2026 F80 is a revolutionary hybrid powertrain built around a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors, 2 mounted at the front axle and 1 integrated into the transmission. Together, they produce an astonishing 1,200 horsepower, making this the most powerful road-going Ferrari ever. The result is nothing short of mind-bending, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour. The electric motors don't just add extra punch, they also give the F80 torque vectoring capabilities, allowing it to corner with surgical precision. A new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts in the blink of an eye, while an advanced all-wheel drive system ensures that every ounce of power is transferred to the tarmac efficiently. Ferrari has also implemented an active suspension system that adapts in real time, keeping the car stable whether you're carving through high-speed corners or tackling rougher urban streets. The hybrid setup offers short bursts of silent, all-electric driving for city use, but make no mistake, the moment the V8 roars to life, it's pure Ferrari emotion. Step inside the F80 and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends futuristic technology with Ferrari's timeless dedication to the driver. The seating position is low and perfectly aligned with the steering column, placing you in the heart of the action. The bucket seats are made from carbon fiber and wrapped in the finest Italian leather and Alcantara, with contrast stitching that matches the car's exterior accents. Directly ahead is a curved, high-definition digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display performance data, navigation, or hybrid system status. The minimized steering wheel is packed with controls, including Ferrari's signature Manettino dial that lets you switch between driving modes instantly. In the center console, a floating touchscreen manages the infotainment system, climate controls, and performance settings, but Ferrari has kept physical toggles and switches for the most important functions to maintain that tactile connection. Even with all its performance focus, the cabin offers luxury touches like a premium Burmester audio system, dual-zone climate control, and ambient lighting that adds a subtle elegance for nighttime drives. Ferrari has also worked hard to ensure the F80 feels like a complete experience, not just a performance machine. The hybrid system recovers energy under braking, meaning you can unleash its full potential lap after lap on the track without worrying about losing performance. The driving modes range from comfortable grand touring settings to an all-out track mode that sharpens throttle response, stiffens the suspension, and maximizes aerodynamic downforce. Every input, from the weight of the steering to the feel of the pedals, has been fine-tuned to create a connection between driver and machine that few cars can match. This is a car that doesn't just go fast, it makes you feel fast. Now, let's talk about price. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is not just a car, it's a statement, and it comes with a price tag to match. The base model starts at around $2.8 million, placing it firmly in the hypercar category. Of course, Ferrari being Ferrari, there's a long list of personalization options through their tailor-made program, allowing buyers to choose unique paint, finishes, interior materials, and even performance tweaks. With these bespoke touches, it's easy for the price to climb well past $3 million. Production numbers will be extremely limited, ensuring exclusivity and making it an instant collectible from the moment it's delivered. Those lucky enough to secure one are not just buying a car, they're buying a piece of Ferrari's future, a machine that blends their racing heritage with cutting-edge innovation. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is more than a car, it's a technological showcase, a work of art, and a driving experience unlike anything else on the road. It represents everything Ferrari stands for: speed, beauty, innovation, and passion. It's a car built for those who demand the best, those who live for the thrill of driving, and those who understand that some machines are destined to be legends from the moment they are born. This isn't just the next Ferrari, it's a glimpse at the next era of hypercars that wraps up our deep dive into the incredible 2026 Ferrari F80. This is a machine that takes your breath away before you even start the engine. And once you do, it delivers an experience you'll never forget. Thanks for joining me for this review, and as always, see you in the next video. Asterisk.